Good morning. I just finished day 2 of the Hike for Health 2021. And here are the poles. Yesterday I mentioned that my poles would be handy for keeping me upright if I tripped. I demonstrated that twice today. Without the poles, I am pretty sure that while I was walking on uneven territory and started to lose my balance, that I would have gone right into the snow, which I did not want to do. So here's another thought about the poles and being an older woman and moving. Many years ago, I came across research that showed that older women who exercised and fell had a higher probability of breaking a wrist than breaking a hip. So what is the good news there? The good news is broken wrists are a lot less threatening to long-term health than broken hips. All too many older people, mostly women, end up losing their independence and getting put into nursing homes as a result of fractured hips. So is it worth investing time, effort, energy in reducing the odds of a fractured hip? I sure think so. Have a super awesome day.